हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू इन्फिनिटी आईएएस एकेडमी। मैं सागर शर्मा आपका दिल्ली के सेंटर से इन्फिनिटी आईएएस एकेडमी के यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत करता हूं। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि यूपीएससी 2022 का प्रीलिम्स अब बीत गया है और आशा करता हूं कि आपका पेपर काफी अच्छा हुआ होगा। तो आज से हम एक नई सीरीज चालू करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि प्रीलिम्स के बाद अगला जो पड़ाव या स्टेप होता है वह मेंस होता है। तो आज से हम एक नई सीरीज शुरू करेंगे जो यूपीएससी मेंस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली जीएस 3 पेपर के लिए ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो वील बी स्टार्टिंग विद इंपॉर्टेंट एनवायरमेंटल कन्वेंशंस। There are many conventions which have happened or which have been signed, ratified by different countries. Also, if we look into the context and talk about the environmental conventions which India has ratified and signed, so then also these environmental conventions, it form an important part of our syllabus. Now, the very first meeting on environment when the humanity it became conscious about the different environmental issues, it happened in the year 1972, and it is known as the United Nations Conference on Human Environment or the Stockholm Conference. Now this conference it happened in the year 1972, and United Nations Environment Program was an important outcome of this conference. And this conference it was attended by our late Prime Minister Shrimati Indira Gandhi. And also this was the very first instance when the humanity, the various NGOs and the government official, they gathered together and they discussed about the various emerging environmental issues. After that, in the year 1987, there was a very famous report which was published by the name of the Brundtland Commission report, and the title of the report was the Our Common Future. And this report specifically dealt with the sustainable development and the issues revolving around it. Now, sustainable development, it is very important because the way it is defined, if we look into the definition of sustainable development, it can be easily defined as when we are able to meet or satisfy the needs of the present generation, that is the generation where we are living, as we all form the part of this present generation. So we have to develop and meet our needs in such a way that we are able to meet our needs without compromising the needs of our future generation. So this is all about the sustainable development. Also, this commission report was published in the year 1987. Now, in the year 1992, there was an important environmental summit which happened in the country Brazil, in the Rio de Janeiro, in the year 1992. Now this conference was known as the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Also it is famously known by different names such as Earth Summit, Rio Summit or Rio Conference. Now this summit, it is also regarded as one of the first instances where the humanity or the various people, they came together and joined the hands on a global forum to discuss the environment, the pressing issue of environment. Now, moving ahead further, this summit, the Earth Summit, it was attended by nearly 178 countries and it was presided by Maurice Strong. Now, he is the same person who presided the 1972 conference, which is also famously known as the Stockholm Conference. And the issue that were addressed in this conference were related to the toxic substance, the production of toxic substances. As you all know that there is always a tussle between the developed and the developing countries, because developed countries, they have historically used developing countries as the dumping ground where they are able to dump various wastage in the developing or the third world countries. Also, the alternative sources of energy which were to be developed, they were also talked about at this conference, and encouraging the use of public participation in order to minimize the emissions were also discussed as a part of this conference. Now moving ahead further, there were some important result of the summit, and the most important result of the summit was the Rio Declaration on the Environment and Development. It consisted of 27 principles regarding the sustainable development, and it was a non-binding non-binding declaration. And after this there was also known as another, the outcome of the summit was Agenda 21. It is also a non-binding authoritative text which deals with the issue of sustainable development. And 21 in this Agenda 21, it discusses about the 21st century that we are living in. Also, the other outcome of this summit was the forest principles. Now here also there were the different principles which were discussed about the management, the conservation and the sustainable use of forest and its resources. Now there were other important documents which were open for signature, and the prominent ones are the Convention on Biological Diversity, the United Nations Framework for Climate Change, which is also known as UNFCCC, and also the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. Now remember these conventions, as these are important for your main. You can always use these conventions to supplement your answers in main, as you can beautifully use them to place. You can use them by citing some examples, and this makes your answer look more good. Now we'll be discussing about the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Now this convention, it was the outcome of it was open for signature in the Rio or the Earth Summit that I mentioned earlier, and it was entered into force in the year 1994, and there are around 197 countries that have ratified the convention, and they are famously known as the parties to the convention. Also, the objective of the convention is to prevent dangerous human interference with the climate system. As you know that it is because of the anthropogenic emissions that the environment is suffering, and with the normal rate, if we proceeded from the time when we have started developing, or if we talk about the industrial revolution era, now we have the anthropogenic emissions, they have exacerbated or aggravated the harm done to the environment, because we have almost used the various resources which are present in the environment in such a way that it has led to exploitation of most of the resources, especially the environment. Now you would have seen the various issues like related to air pollution or noise pollution or water pollution. Now these all are the results of the exploitation or the overuse of the resources which are present in the earth or on the environment. Also, if we move ahead further, now the ultimate objective, now the prominent objective of the convention is to stabilize greenhouse gas concentrations to the level where it would be able to prevent dangerous anthropogenic interference with the climate system. As I mentioned earlier before this also, that it was because of the anthropogenic the emissions, the climate degradation, it aggravated to the level where the humanity, the global leaders, they had to come together to join hands in order to discuss the pressing issues related to climate change. Now, if we talk about the greenhouse gas, now greenhouse gas, they are present in the atmosphere. Now, there are various greenhouse gases like water vapor, nitrous oxide, the sulfur hexafluoride. Now, these are some greenhouse gases. Now, greenhouse gases, they are responsible for global warming, as you know, and also they are also responsible for the greenhouse gas effect. Now, if we move ahead further, now we'll be discussing more about this. The United Nations Framework on Convention on Climate Change will be discussing separately. So, students, इस वीडियो में आज हम इतना ही डिस्कस करते हैं. हमने एक बेसिक आउटलाइन आपको दिया है और हम आगे भी इसी सीरीज को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, जिससे कि जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मेंस में इस बार ज़्यादा गैप नहीं है, तो हम भी अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करेंगे कि हम स्टूडेंट्स की जितनी से ज़्यादा मदद हो सके, हम अपनी वीडियोस के द्वारा आपकी मदद करेंगे. तो इसके लिए आप इन्फिनिटी आईएएस एकेडमी के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और आगे आने वाली वीडियोस से अपनी नॉलेज और अपनी मेंस की प्रिपरेशन को बढ़ा सकते हैं। सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम आवर साइड। थैंक यू।